today was my first time ever in all my life that I took a shower at the gym. Okay, just getting to the car from doing the sauna, and it was cool. I didn't get to do everything I wanted to do in the sauna. I wanted to stay in there 30 minutes. However, I was able to stay in there 20 minutes because people just kept coming in and out, and I had planned on, my goal was to be in there by myself and just lay down and just stretch and do what I needed to do in there. However, like I said, I couldn't because so many people kept coming in and out, and then when you get in a space to just sit, relax, just be calm and at peace, somebody go, can I get by, and this and this and that. So I went on ahead and got out, and plus it said it, like, I think the time limit was like 15 minutes or something like that. Anyway, so I wanted to come on and just say this to you guys. Today was my first time ever in all my life that I took a shower at the gym. I've never done that before. I've always been against it. I always used to say I'm never going to take a shower at the gym. However, I did today because I did the sauna, and what I did was I bought some body wash and my loofah. And the thing about it, I had actually took a shower before I left home, right before I left home, so I was fine, but I still needed to like wash that sweat off, and it wasn't that bad. I did wear my Crocs in the shower, and what I did was I had my bag and all my clothes and everything in there. So once I finished taking a shower, I put a towel on the floor so I was able to dry off, and I was able to put on my jeans and tank top and stuff. But when I got out, that's when I put my shirt on. I didn't want to like walk around there without it, but it was cool. It wasn't too bad, and I must say that the shower was real roomy. Had a lot of room in there, so that was the cool part. And the water felt good. It was like, I like how you can change the temperature, and it's not one of those showers, you know how you go somewhere and you get in the shower and soon the water come out, it's hitting you all in the face. It didn't come out like that. Like, you can like get the right temperature that you wanted and then just walk up under there. So that's what I liked about the shower. So I will be taking a shower at the gym again in my near future. However, I am going to get some shower socks or shower slippers or whatever you call them. I will invest in those because it was a little hard to shower with Crocs on because I kept thinking I was gonna fall.
tough. Clip out, clip in, go. Don't shoot more than once. Doing a good job, baby. Wow. Shoot it right there.
Okay, my chat partner, so here is a meal that would take me less than 10 minutes to cook. And it is the Thai basil vegetable dumplings. And I get this from the produce section in the grocery store, guys. And as you can see, the cooking instructions, it says that it takes 2 to 3 minutes to pan fry the dumplings. And they are organic, vegan Thai basil dumplings. And what I'm going to mix it with is the Fusions Asian mix. And this has broccoli, red bell pepper strips, mushrooms, and edamame in a sesame soy sauce. Pop it in the microwave first. And when you put it in the microwave, it takes like 4 to 5 minutes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start cooking the dumplings, put this in the microwave for 4 minutes, and then add